We are going to find the value of x plus y, where x squared plus y squared equals 25 and 2x plus y equals 10. But where should we start the solution? Welcome to Math with Teacher MJ. In this video, I'm going to solve this one little math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get started. I'm going to start my solution by working on these two equations. Let's name them, number them. This one equation number 1, this one equation number 2. Let me ask you a question. If you want to start the solution, you would like to start your solution by working on equation number 1 or equation number 2. I would like to start my work by uh, equation number 2, 2x plus y equals 10. Let's see what happens. Equation number 2 says 2x plus y equals 10. Now let's see what do we have here. We have x and y. I'm going to write y based on x. It is going to be y equals 10. Look, y left side, I keep it left side. 10 right side, I keep it right side. Now 2x, I want to transpose this 2x to the right side. Do not forget, we need to change the sign, positive to negative. 10 minus 2x. So let's keep it here. Next, equation number 2. I'm going to continue the solution by working on equation number 2 that says x squared plus y squared equals 25. Do not forget, from equation number 1, number 2, we have y equals 10 minus 2x. So let's plug this expression instead of y in equation number 1. So equation number 1 says x squared plus y squared, which means 10 minus 2x squared equals 25. But how can we find the value of 10 minus 2x squared? To solve this, I'm going to get help from an algebraic identity that says this algebraic identity. A minus b squared, which means s squared of the difference of two terms is going to be first term s squared minus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term s squared. It is going to be first term s squared minus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term s squared. Now we can follow this one to find the value of 10 minus 2x squared. So 10 minus 2x squared is going to be 10 s squared minus 2 times 10 times 2x plus 2x squared. Let's see what is our answer. First one, I write x squared plus 10s squared minus 2 times first term 10 second term 2x plus second term 2x squared 25. I want to transpose it to the left side. Do not forget, change the sign, positive to negative. Minus 25, and right side it is 0. Now x squared 10 to the power of 2, 100, 2 times 10, 20 times 2, 40. So negative 40x plus 2x squared is going to be 4x squared minus 25 equals 0. Let's simplify this one. X squared, 4x squared is going to be 5x squared. Next, negative 40x. 100 minus 25 is 75. equals 0. Let's see what do we have here. A quadratic equation, the leading coefficient is 5, coefficient of x negative 40, and constant term 75. But how can we solve this? To solve this, I'm going to use factorization. I'm going to solve this by factoring. But before I start factorization, look, we have 5, 40, 75. All of them can be divided by 5. So let's do it. 5x squared divided by 5, negative 40x divided by 5, 75 divided by 5, and 0 divided by 5. Let's see what is the answer. 5 divided by 5 can be cancelled off, x squared. So we have x squared. Negative 40 divided by 5, negative 8x. 75 divided by 5 plus 15 equals 0. Now we have a quadratic equation with the leading coefficient 1. To solve this, I'm going to rewrite it as a product of two factors. 1, 2, and right side 0. Do not forget, when the leading coefficient is 1, the first term of both factors is going to be x. So write it. But how can we find second terms of these two factors? So to solve this, we need to find two numbers that the product is going to be this constant term and the sum is going to be the coefficient of x, which means the product of two numbers is 15. The sum of these two numbers is negative 8. So can you help me to find these two numbers? Two numbers that the product is 15, their sum is negative 8. Right, negative 3 and negative 5. Negative 3 and negative 5. So let's write them here, negative 3, negative 5. Now what should we do? Look, if the product of two factors is 0, at least one of them must be 0. So I can set this one equals 0, also this one equals 0. First one, x minus 3 equals 0. So x is going to be 3, right? Next, x minus 5 equals 0. What is the value of x? X is going to be 5. So we have two stories. In story 1, x is 3. In story 2, x is 5. Let's see what is the value of y when x equals 3. When x equals 3, y is going to be 10 minus 2 times x, which means 3. So 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6, 4. This is the value of y when x is 3. Now, let's see what is the value of y when x is 5. Y is going to be 10 minus 2x, which means 10 minus 2x, in this story 5. So 10 minus 2 times 10, 5, 10. Y is going to be 0. So when x is 5, y is 0. When x is 3, y is 4. Now, the question asks us find the value of x plus y. So let's do it. When in story 1, when x equals 3 and y equals 4, x plus y is going to be 3 plus 4. So x plus y is 7. This is our first answer. In story 2, when x equals 5, y equals 0, x plus y is going to be 5 plus 0 equals 5. So we have two answers. Answer 1, x plus y equals 7, and answer 2, x plus y equals 5. And this is the answer of our question. Have fun.